another episode of Cooking with Kid Joy. On today's episode, we'll be making ice cream sundae. Let's get started. First, we're going to put our ice cream in a cup. Next, we put chocolate sauce all around the sides. Now we're going to add some sprinkles. Now we add the whipped cream. Now we drizzle strawberry topping. Now we add a cherry. And voila! Okay guys, now here's our ice cream sundae. I think this is a really good time to end out the video here. It's been so fun to do this video with you. If you like this video, then smash that like button. I'll see you next time. Bye!